The first dong was created on May 3, 1978, after the unification of North and South Vietnam. This first series consisted of 6 banknotes from 5 hao to 50 dongs. In 1980 and 1981, an additional 4 banknotes were added, and it would signal the start of an inflation cycle. In 1985, the first dong series was dropped due to inflation, and new banknotes were introduced in the second dong at a rate of 10 first dong to 1 second dong. Initially, 10 banknotes were in this series, but due to inflation, 4 more were added in 1987. And by 2006, 6 more had been added, with 500,000 being the highest denomination. Banknotes of 5,000 and under were not produced anymore. However, these banknotes are still in wide circulation in Vietnam. In 2003, polymer banknotes began replacing cotton banknotes in denominations of 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, and 500,000. These first 50,000 and 100,000 polymer banknotes were printed by Note Printing Australia until the National Banknote Printing Plant in Hanoi took over printing operations. If you want to know the specific year a banknote in this series was created, the first 2 digits represent the year. All of these banknotes feature Vietnam's founding father Ho Chi Minh and views from around Vietnam. The 10,000 dong features oil rigs from the Bac Ho oil field. The 20,000 dong features the Japanese Pagoda Bridge in Hoi An. The 50,000 Vietnam dong illustrates the Phu Van Lao Pavilion and is pink, yellow in color. The 100,000 Vietnamese dong has the Temple of Literature prominently featured. The 200,000 dong displays rocks from the Ha Long Bay. Lastly, the 500,000 banknotes are dedicated to Ho Chi Minh, as his birthplace is displayed on the reverse.